Holy Hannah, it's a volcano, and it erupts several times a night, right outside the Mirage Hotel. Well, at least it used to. It is now laying dormant until December 8th for the construction of the upcoming F1 race in November, and most likely will not erupt again. Why, you may ask? Well, back in 2021, Hard Rock International bought the Mirage, and they plan to build a giant guitar-shaped hotel right where the volcano is now. So the last chance to see this erupt is after December 8th of this year, 2023. And that's not a guarantee either. There's been no dates confirmed for 2024.
Crazy how
There
fast
it is.